precision casting, sincere service. Suzhou Precision Mold Company Limited, located in Wuzhong District, Suzhou City, was established in 2009 and has been dedicated to the philosophy of mutual prosperity since its inception. After more than a decade of steady development, the company established Yixing Hengjin Precision Mold Company Limited in 2019, continuing to focus on the precision manufacturing industry. We provide a full range of services, including turning, milling and grinding, CNC machining, and more. Crafting industrial beauty with dedication and expertise. Specializing in the research and production of hot runner system components. We cover a wide range of products from molds and hydraulic cylinders to various pneumatic cylinders. Each product embodies the essence of advanced technology, injecting precise power into industrial manufacturing. From blueprints to finished products, we have established a solid foundation of advantages. Currently, we are equipped with modern Hyundai WIA SKT 200 CNC lathes, Hyundai WIA F650, F500, F400 machining centers, Hangzhou HZ630, and Nantong horizontal spindle, rectangular table, surface grinders, milling machines, as well as numerous auxiliary devices. These modern facilities support our comprehensive precision machining capabilities, ensuring efficient and consistent product production. Behind our precision machining lies an unwavering pursuit of quality. From raw material selection to final product testing, we leverage years of accumulated experience to create products that inspire customer confidence and satisfaction. Since our establishment, we have become a core partner of well-known clients such as Yudo Hot Runner System Company Limited, earning widespread recognition for our stable quality and reliable services. Looking ahead, we will continue to uphold our commitment to customer first, continuously enhancing our technical capabilities and service standards. We are dedicated to providing faster, more professional, and more satisfactory precision manufacturing services, working hand in hand with our partners to forge an exceptional future in precision manufacturing.